ORTECH turns any room into a safe room when there's no protected room in the building, providing anti-blast, shockwave, and fragment protection. We replace existing openings with a fortified door and windows, and cover the walls with advanced panels that take up only a few centimeters from the room's area. Fortifying an entire room takes just 3 to 5 days, working on only the room's interior, with no special permits required, without dust or debris, and without interrupting everyday life. The electricity, communications, and HVAC infrastructures are easily shifted within the protected room. And the end result is a new safe room for emergencies. ORTECH's solution has been tested and approved by the Israeli Home Front Command. Both the product and the method are patent pending. Contact us today for further details. ORTECH, uncompromised protection.